Hello, my name is Vince Lasser, the Director of Quality for Royal Power Solutions. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about our virtual tour capabilities. Royal Power Solutions developed virtual tour capability for all customers and interested parties to basically come into our organization and present to you from the comfort of your own laptops or desktops. The way we do this is very simple. We use high definition video streaming, plus also common communication platforms such as Microsoft Teams. The tours can actually be interactive or generally focused. It's really up to you because the fact it's interactive, I can focus in on specific processes, products, or types of operations that you might be interested in. Or we can do a generalized tour basically coming from the front door all the way through to the back and where the products are actually shipped out of our organization. Again, the tour is actually interactive. You set the tone as to what you want to see and to learn about our organization, and we like to be able to present that to you, again, from the comfort of your own laptop or your desktop.